The journey was good. Very good support from the family, which gives more strength. अच्छे लोगों के साथ काम करते हैं. I like young people, so right now I'm investing more in startups where you have extraordinary ideas and brilliant ideas from.
Hello and welcome to the Edutainment Show, where we are on a mission to inspire curious minds and empower you to become the best version of yourself. On this show, our mission is to give you the tools, techniques, strategies, and insights from industry leaders where they can share with you their experiences and their success stories can inspire you to do something bigger and give you ideas to create your dream business, lifestyle, so on and so forth. So today we have a successful business entrepreneur, and we are going to talk about his story, his journey, and I would love to introduce our guest for today. His name is Mr. Naresh G. Singhvi, and he is a successful business tycoon. He's an industrialist with more than 2.5 decades of experience in manufacturing, sales, administration, and finance. His core expertise is in the field of stainless steel, wires, bars, fasteners, pipes, solar modules, and IT services. He exports a wide range of products to more than 60 countries. And also, my first time experience of engaging with him has been very memorable because I was invited as a speaker on a webinar which he conducted for his community. And when I saw him, whenever I interacted with him, he had a certain aura that instantly attracted me, and his humble nature really resonated with me, connected with me. So thank you so much, Naresh ji, for accepting my invitation and coming on this webinar, on this podcast.
Thank you, Priyank, and it's my great pleasure to talk to you. And of course, the inspiring the young people is the job of the old people. So I think we'll enjoy this webinar.
I really appreciate that. And we also know that this is his first ever interview, and he doesn't do this much, but it is my honor, and I feel really honored to have you here, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Same here.
So, without any further delay, let's get right into it. Sir, we would first like to know about your story. I mean, you've done so many things. You have like 4 or 5 business ventures, Rajratna Ventures, Rajratna, and you have in aluminium. You have in different. You have 4 to 5 different businesses that you do. So, where did this all start? What is the story, and what is your journey like to becoming this successful and building this successful business? What has your journey been like?
Yeah, first of all, let's start with the education. So I finished my education, that is in engineering from Mumbai. And once I finished my education, then I think before 25 years, we didn't have any many choices. So just to join the family business. So just joined family business and moved to Ahmedabad because that was our main manufacturing base. And then I got into the first 3 4 years of training in different departments, whether it is sales, manufacturing, exports, purchase, administration, and everything. And then that's how we I started the journey. And 3 4 years training was enough, and I always wanted to take a leap and go forward. So I was always looking for new things and new ventures that we were doing. And the company was growing. Of course, it's a family business, so a lot of hands are there. And because you have a lot of hands, you have a lot of freedom also. Because if somebody is doing something more, then it's appreciable, and you have a lot of room in that. Then I think in 5 years, then we had a venture one in Middle East, and then we set up a small manufacturing facility in Middle East for 3 4 years for some economical advantages, and we had some benefits there. And it was also our leap to get into the international manufacturing base. And then that's how it went, and that was I think 2 or 3 years, and then we just was not able to compete, or it was not very economical, so we just wound up at that. And then we were looking for some more new business activities, and then 3 4 years and down the line, then we started IT service business. We found a good you can say a partner. I always like young people, so that my partner, he was 17 years old, and at that time I didn't knew. I am talking of the story which was in year 2000. I didn't knew. I was 22, but I didn't knew how. Sorry, I was 27, but I didn't knew how to operate the computer, how to send emails, or this was in year 2000. And so I pick up a tutor, which was 17-year-old guy from his home, and one month of training, and then the second thing comes is the, what are you doing? He says, I'm just training. And then this is how we become a partner. He became a partner in my company, and we funded this project, and that project is still running. He's like, it's now 20 years. We employ more than 100 people. So that was our first venture out of the manufacturing thing, and it was a service-based industry. So we picked up a 17-year-old guy, and he became a partner to our company, and he is doing extraordinary good. He's right now based in US, and we have an office there, and he's managing from there. That was year 2000, and then in 2005 that was not enough. So 2005, then we thought of setting up a new project, that was the fasteners, and that's how I moved away from this Rajatna, our wire business, and then I started a greenfield project for the fasteners. We started with a small turnover of
So greenfield, as in the meaning of
when you say,
greenfield for
okay,
the.
when you say greenfield, it starts from the scratch. That is buying a land, then setting up the factory, setting up buying the new machines, building our team and everything. So when you say greenfield, it's like from a green land or something
From a
like that,
new, from scratch,
from
from
a land.
base.
Yeah. So then it was a good journey. It was a good learning. A lot of new things was to be learned. Everything was new because it's a two different race when you sit on a fast speed car which is already running at high speed, so you
Right.
don't have to do much of effort. But this was a slow start, or it was just a beginning, so you have to put all your efforts. So it was a good learning. And then in next 10 to 15 years, we reached a turnover of 150 crores from 10 crores. And then we had some more family members coming in the company, and then we started stainless steel pipes. That was before 10 years. And then I also started solar modules, because this is, maybe you can say, my weakness or a strength, I don't know, but I always wanted to try something new, something different products. So solar was absolutely out of the way of our metal business, and but I thought, okay, let's give a try, because we already had a strength, and we had a strength to lose the money, so which is a bigger strength. एक क्या होती है, ताकत होती है कि आप पैसा खोलोगे तो भी चलेगा, और
Right.
then and also the family support.
Right.
So that's how we got into this. We made a small investment. We did, and it was a good success story. Within 3 4 years, we could get the money, and we could build up a good brand. So that is
Mhm.
also a 10 years old. And then we also before 7 years, then we had opportunity to get into this aluminum business, which was again a separate business line for us, other than the stainless steel. We got again a good partners, and we started this new company. So as a partnership joint venture, it's also doing great. We started with 5 10 crores of turnover, and we are already 60 crores. And our aim is to get to 150 crores in next 2 3 years. And if everything goes fine, 500 crores in next 10 years. So that is our target for that company also. We started also making some we are right now trying to do new thing in paper, that is
Paper.
processing of papers, and which is again a new thing. So got one business idea from somebody, and we invest money, and then he is running the show. So it's just a new beginning, so I can say it's like a seed. So let's see how it will grow. So this is how variety of new business is done. So fun taking challenges, risk. Yes, we make mistakes. We had one EPC company we made in 2012, not done very well. So we again had a partner, and then it was given to the partner, and that's it. So of course there has to be failure in your life history. Otherwise, you will never learn, or you will never grow. So failure is part of your success. And I think success is not a 1 day, 2 3 job. It goes on. You cannot become a successful forever. So you just go on. आज आपने ये किया, कल आप वो करोगे, ये करोगे, और नया नया करते जाओगे. So you always try to go on the ladder.
That
So
is
the journey was good. Very good support from the family, which gives more strength. अच्छे लोगों के साथ काम करते हैं. I like young people. So right now I'm investing more in startups where you
Okay.
have extraordinary ideas and brilliant ideas from uh, people from 18 years to 25 years. They are extraordinary people in India. You can, I will bet
I
for it.
have a lot of people in my audience that are starting up, that are having startups and all that.
You should always do. There is a lot of money available in the market. You should have a good business idea. That's it.
That's it.
And people will bet on you if you are really good.
Amazing. So this journey seems like a whole lot. I mean, आपने बहुत कुछ कम समय में ऐसा किया, ऐसा लग रहा है मेरे को. तो let's get back a little bit. आपने इतना सब किया. Let me ask you what was the Naresh ji when he was in his 20s? What was your mindset? What were you doing? And what was your journey in your 20s, 25 के एज में? आप क्या कर रहे थे? क्या सोच थी आपकी?
Okay. If you rewind everything and if you put me right now in at the age of 22, I will not get into family business for the first. I will try to do maybe a small thing,
A
small
startup.
startup, small business of my own, and maybe it is 10 lakhs turnover is also good enough for me. But okay, so you cannot change now anything. So always try to wanted to do something new. Always, of course, you have a traditional business of the family which needs to also grow. So we have to be on that part also and part of the growth journey, and always try to do new things. New challenges always comes in the business, so always try to get into this. जैसे हमको अभी नई फैक्ट्री लगानी है, बाहर लगानी है, तो ओके, आई थॉट आई विल टेक द लीड एंड आई विल डू दिस.
Okay.
अगर हमको ये नई फैक्ट्री लगानी है, नया वेंचर करना, ओके, आई से दिस, द ओल्ड बिजनेस वाज ऑलरेडी ऑन द ट्रैक, सो आई जस्ट से ओके, लेट्स गेट इनटू द न्यू एरिया ऑफ बिजनेस. So
Right.
that is
So
always the
so always stepping out of your comfort zone. जो चल रहा है उससे कुछ नया
चल
responsibility
रहा है तो
लेके.
चलने ही वाला है, उसमें तो कुछ होने वाला नहीं है.
Right है. So I mean during doing that, this is a personal question कि अभी आप जो बता रहे हो मैं शायद वो थोड़ा बहुत कर रहा हूँ कि मैं फैमिली बिजनेस में नहीं घुसा. मेरे भी पेरेंट्स, मेरी भी बैकग्राउंड इसमें ही है, स्टेनलेस स्टील मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड ऑल दैट, सॉरी ट्रेडिंग एंड ऑल दैट. But I thought I'll do something else. So at this time, do I just focus on my startup, or do you think I should put in enough efforts and all that at my family business as well?
Put more efforts on your startup only. You make this startup as your bread and butter, then only you will succeed. आप अपने फैमिली बिजनेस को भूल जाओ, वो आपकी बेसिक नीड के लिए है. दैट इज फॉर योर स्टेइंग, फूड, आपका बाकी का जो नीड्स है, जो बेसिक नीड होती है आदमी की, वो उसके लिए है, उसके लिए भूल जाओ आप. बट
Right.
आपका जो है ये स्टार्टअप, ये शुड बी योर ब्रेड एंड बिजनेस, ब्रेड एंड बटर. डोंट लीव एंड कीप ऑन फाइटिंग फॉर इट.
परफेक्ट. थैंक यू सो मच. मैं ना कभी कभी थोड़ा सेल्फिश हो जाता हूँ जब मैं ऐसे क्वेश्चंस मेरे खुद के लिए पूछ लेता हूँ ताकि मेरा कोचिंग हो जाता है यहाँ पे सक्सेसफुल लोगों के साथ. परफेक्ट. सो गोइंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Like every journey आपने अभी just बताया कि there is always ups and downs, failures and all that, and during that makes your experience, your ups and downs makes your experience. So during with your experience, what are your 3 key learnings that you can share with the audience that they would really that they need to have in their life? 3 key learnings.
I think the baseline, what everybody will say, it's the hard working that is the most important thing. Believe in yourself. Whatever you are doing, you have to believe yourself. Otherwise, nobody will believe you. क्योंकि आपको खुद को अपने पे कॉन्फिडेंस होना है. जो भी आप कर रहे हैं वो आप सही कर रहे हैं और आपको कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए. सी वेदर इट इज सक्सेसफुल और फेलियर, दैट इज अ सबसेट ऑफ दैट. वो बात की बात है, वो आपको बाद में मालूम पड़ेगा 2-3 साल के बाद, जब भी आप नहीं ठीक हुआ तो ठीक है, नहीं हुआ तो भी इट्स अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ चांस, बिकॉज बिजनेस इज नॉट ऑलवेज सक्सेसफुल, उसमें फेलियर भी हो सकता है. सो आई थिंक द हार्ड वर्क, बिलीविंग इन योर सेल्फ, बिल्डिंग अप अ न्यू टीम व्हेन यू आर मेकिंग अ बिजनेस. अगर आप अकेला कितना आदमी दौड़ सकता है? अकेला आदमी 100 मीटर दौड़ सकता है, बट व्हेन यू हैव फोर, यू कैन विन द रेस ऑफ द रिले, दैट इज 4/100. उसके लिए
Right.
भी आपको 4 आदमी चाहिए. सो यू ऑलवेज हैव टू हैव अ गुड टीम, partners. Never shy to give away your equity or to get a partner, because when you have a partner, it is not just because of finance, it is also validating you whether you are saying right or wrong. You have one somebody who is going to be a helping hand. और 4 लोग मिलके जो काम करोगे, वो एक आदमी को 4 टाइम को लगेगा करने.
Right. Right.
So
Right.
I think I will say the building of a team,
Right.
believing in yourself, hardworking, you have to be honest, consistent
Honesty.
in what you say and what you do.
Honesty and consistency. राइट. सो अभी इसमें आपने एक बोला कि बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ. व्हेन समवन इज डूइंग समथिंग डिफरेंट, जैसे आपने जब नया कुछ आपने नया लाइन स्टार्ट किया और वहां पे थोड़ा कहीं करते करते डाउन आ जाता है, और आप ऑब्वियसली फैमिली वाले या कुछ ना कुछ सोशल प्रेशर रहता है, तो आप वो सोशल प्रेशर कैसे हैंडल करते हो?
See, one thing, when you believe in yourself, you have to sometimes disbelieve the people who are negative people. तो आप उसको discount कर देना चाहिए. You will have a lot of pressure from the family. Once you start losing money, the people will say, तुम बेवकूफ हो, तुमको करने को नहीं आता. ठीक है, नहीं आता है. But you still have some money in the pocket. So you still keep on. For example, this IT business that we are taking example, which was absolutely new. We invested 50 lakhs and we lost 50 lakhs in 5 years. More 50 lakhs.
Okay.
But we kept on, and today we are making 10 times the money that we invested.
Right.
लेकिन पहले 5 साल तक नुकसान करना पड़ा, और हम लोगों को भी काफी सोशल प्रेशर था कि भाई क्यों कर रहे हो, पैसा खो रहा है, ये हो रहा है. बट वी आई एंड माय पार्टनर, वी वर ऑफ ओपिनियन दैट नो, वन डे दिस विल वर्क, एंड इट वर्कड आफ्टर 5 years. तो 5 साल का अपने पास वो ताकत भी होना चाहिए.
बरोबर है. मेक सेंस.
और करना भी चाहिए. और आप अगर बीच में छोड़ दिया तो आपने तो खत्म ही कर दिया, आपके 5 साल खत्म हो गए.
5 साल गए.
आपको क्यों ऐसा करना है? एंड एट वन पॉइंट इट विल कम कि भाई आपको व्हेन यू हैव टू डिसाइड वेदर यू वांट टू कीप इट और होल्ड इन, और तभी आप डिसाइड कर दो. बट इफ देयर इज अ चांस, यू शुड ऑलवेज टेक ऑन.
सो यहाँ पर मेरे को ये समझ में आ रहा है कि लॉन्ग टर्म सोचना है. 5 साल इफ यू आर लूजिंग मनी एंड स्टिल कंटिन्यूइंग इट, तो आपका विजन होगा 10 15 20 साल का या 50 साल का.
ट्रू. दैट्स हाउ वी स्टार्टेड मेकिंग मनी ऑन 6th year. बट वी हैव टू, अगर वो 5 साल में, अगर 4.5 साल में हम खत्म हो जाते तो बंद ही हो जाते, तो बात ही खत्म हो जाती.
बात ही खत्म हो जाती.
सो यू हैव टू कीप ऑन होल्डिंग योरसेल्फ. आपको पैसे की अभी 20 साल पहले और अभी की बात अलग है. अभी आपके पास इतना फंड्स अवेलेबल होता है, यू स्टार्ट डाइल्यूटिंग योर इक्विटी, एंड यू हैव पीपल हु विल ट्रस्ट यू इफ यू आर रियली गुड इन इट.
Really makes sense. Perfect. Abhi, let me just turn this a little in a different direction. Let me talk about your personal life, where I mean I want to learn from you what is the role of spirituality. धर्म का आपके लाइफ में क्या रोल है, और आप what do you believe in it? आप कैसे मतलब आपके लाइफ में क्या रोल प्ले किया है अब तक?
I think it's very important, the spirituality, or when you say dharam, religions, these are all things. It's just a way of living life. How you look the human beings and the living beings. I will not say human, all the living beings, how you see. बहुत important part होता है. Whether when you are in younger age, maybe that part is only 10%, 20%. But when you grow up, like when you are 40s, 50s, 60s, वो portion बढ़ते जाता है, because then you have lived your life, you have seen a lot of things, and you start realizing that this is not the end of it. तो स्पिरिचुअलिटी इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज अगर वो थियरी आपके माइंड में है तो दैट विल ऑलवेज कीप यू ग्राउंडेड ऑन द फ्लोर. आप कोई आदमी ने 25 साल में 100 करोड़ रुपया बना दिया तो वो हवा में उड़ जाएगा, तो उसको खत्म होने को 5 साल भी नहीं लगता है. सो दैट कीप्स, स्पिरिचुअलिटी विल कीप यू ग्राउंडेड, दैट आप जो भी कर रहे हो, इट इज नॉट only because of you, because there are a lot of other things that has worked in your favor, that's why you are here. So वो बहुत कुछ सिखाती है. जैसे धर्म की बात करते हैं, when you go in a social function, when you get into these social groups or like this, everybody is equal. When you go in a temple or anywhere, any religious place, that shows you everybody is equal. Whether it is 100 rupee guy or 100 crore guy, it is same thing. The same God is giving eyesight to everybody. तो आपको वो बहुत ध्यान में रखना है कि आपको ऐसी जगह जाना है जहाँ पे एवरीबडी इज इक्वल, नोबडी इज जज बाय हिज नॉलेज और बाय बिकॉज ऑफ हिज मनी. वो इंपॉर्टेंट है ही नहीं, वो तो सबसेट है आपका. वो आपका लक है, आपका मेहनत है, जो भी है, लेकिन वो आपको किसी ने दिया है. अल्टीमेटली आपको भी ये वो किसी को पास ऑन करना है एट द एंड ऑफ द लाइफ.
आपके कर्म की वजह से आ रहे हैं. will you put it like that? आपके कर्मों के कारण आपको जो मिला है वो मिला है.
एवरीथिंग इज बिकॉज ऑफ कर्मा ओनली. आई एम स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीवर ऑफ कर्मा. आपने कुछ अच्छा किया तो आपको ऐसा अच्छा होने वाला, आपने बुरा किया तो वो आपका हिसाब पूरा करने वाला है. So you always have to do, whether it is good or bad, it's subjective.
आपके धर्म से 3 प्रिंसिपल्स व्हाट यू बिलीव इन वेरी स्ट्रांगली, या आपके जो भी आपकी लाइफ में, चलो लेट्स टेक धर्म आउट, आपके लाइफ के जो 3 मेन उसूल, प्रिंसिपल, वैल्यूज, व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू कॉल इट, वो क्या होंगे?
You should never speak lie.
Never lie. Okay.
Never lie. Theory of karma. आप जो करोगे वो पाओगे. आपने जो किया है वही भुगतोगे। अगर
Okay.
आपने हार्ड वर्क किया है तो आपको कहीं ना कहीं जाके उसका बेनिफिट मिलेगा, और आपने कुछ शॉर्टकट मारा है तो कहीं ना कहीं आपके जाके उसको पेमेंट करना है आपका,
Right.
वो होना ही होना है। एंड आई थिंक दिस आर द टू बिगेस्ट थिंग
Two biggest learnings. Perfect. Amazing. Okay.
So when you say truth, it comes everything, like honest, everything.
Honesty.
You have to be in relationship, honest. You have to be in relationship with your team, your family members, आपके जितने भी स्टेक होल्डर्स है कंपनी में, उसके सबके साथ में आपको honest. You have to be truthful. If your company is making money, you tell everybody you are making money. When you are losing, you have to tell everybody that you are losing money. Otherwise, this team will not never be on your board. आपको उसके साथ में काम करने का मजा नहीं रहेगा। और वो सेट को देखता है, वो यू आर नॉट द ओनली ओनर, ही इज सीइंग यू एज ए इंस्पायरिंग, और द पीपल हु इज गोइंग टू गाइड यू। अगर आप ही झूठ बोलोगे, अगर मुनि में झूठ बोलेगा तो फिर क्या करेगा लोग नीचे वाला।
राइट, मेक सेंस। बहुत बहुत पावरफुल है, बहुत सिंपल लग रहा है, बट जब जर्नी में होते हैं तब ऐसे बहुत सारे मौके आ जाते हैं जब टेस्टिंग पीरियड्स होते हैं, तो उस टाइम पे ये चीज दिमाग में रह जाए और ये चीज करे तो आई थिंक दैट विल चेंज द गेम
हाँ,
फॉर
जैसे
पीपल।
आपकी टीम जो है उसको अगर आपको कॉन्फिडेंस में लेना है, और टीम को, हाउ द टीम विल बिलीव यू, just not because you are paying him he is believing you. You understand, when you are growing he is seeing everything whatever you are doing in your life, because वो भी वहां से इंस्पायर हो रहा है। तो आपको टीम बिल्डअप करने के लिए ये सब बहुत जरूरी है। ही इज लुकिंग एट एवरीथिंग व्हाट यू आर टेकिंग डिसीजंस, वेदर यू आर fooling your customers or fooling your suppliers, whatever he is doing
दे
is
सी इट,
always seen. So you have to be very very vigilant when you are in a large team.
मेक सेंस, परफेक्ट। All right, so let me just turn this conversation another direction right now, and from I want to get your expert opinion where what you do best. So as you know right now, I mean COVID के कारण और lockdown के कारण जो manufacturing businesses है, जो trading businesses है, जो services businesses है, जो भी business है, जो भी verticals है, every business has taken a hit.
Yeah.
And every place kuch na kuch there is somewhere, like I mean they have taken a hit basically. So now that everything is opening up, unlock down हो रहा है अभी, तो वहां पर businesses को first focus क्या रखना चाहिए, second उनका mindset क्या रहना चाहिए?
आई थिंक ये अभी जो पेंडेमिक हम लोग देख रहे हैं, मेरे हिसाब से ये दुनिया में जितने लोग जिंदा हैं वो सब फर्स्ट टाइम वो लोग देख रहे हैं, क्योंकि दिस हैज हैपेंड बिफोर 100 years। तो अभी आई एम अज्यूमिंग दैट nobody has seen this type of economic downturn in the whole world, and we never thought कि भाई एक दिन ऐसा आएगा कि पूरी दुनिया बंद हो जाएगी। We have never thought of, so we are into a situation which is unprecedented, कभी किसी ने देखा नहीं है। सो वी डोंट हैव एनी रेडीमेड वैक्सीन और अ टैबलेट और अ फॉर्मूला कि भाई ये ऐसा होगा तो ये ऐसा होने वाला है। सो एवरीबॉडी इज लर्निंग, सब अपने अपने बिजनेस के हिसाब से अपना अपना सोल्यूशन निकालते हैं। सो द बिगेस्ट, या, कोविड इज गोइंग टू गिव यू हिट। आपको उसको दिस ईयर, आई थिंक मिस्टर टाटा ऑलरेडी गेव अ गुड एग्जांपल दैट दिस ईयर इज टू सर्वाइव, वेदर यू आर योरसेल्फ और योर बिजनेस। अगर आपको ये साल में आपको खाली सर्वाइव होना है, यू हैव टू जस्ट कीप योर हेड अबव द वाटर। आप अगर इतना भी कर लिया तो भी बहुत बड़ी बात है, क्योंकि दिस पेंडेमिक इज गोइंग टू अफेक्ट यू डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली, कहीं ना कहीं आपको हिट करने ही वाला है। सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी कॉशियस। Of course, when you are running a large business, then you have to cut your cost. You have to cut your cost. That doesn't mean that cut the salary and the 25-50 लोगों को निकाल दो। वो solution नहीं है, because when the business will grow, you will need these people.
Again,
So you need to have your team. आपको टीम को सैलरी काटने के बाद या सैलरी उसको कॉम्पनसेट करने के बाद भी उसको मोटिवेट रखना है। हाउ टू कीप योर सप्लायर्स, हाउ टू कीप योर कस्टमर्स, उसको एंगेज करना है, उनके साथ आपको कंटिन्यूअसली बात करना है कि एवरीथिंग इज फाइन, वी आर डूइंग दिस, वी आर डूइंग दैट। सो दिस इज हाउ डू यू हैव टू कीप एंगेज दिस पीपल। That's how I think this social media and the digital marketing also is helping, that how do you connect to your customers, suppliers, उनको आप हर बार अपडेट कर रहे हो कि क्या हो रहा है, now manufacturing is going on, now we will। so वो एक communication channel जो है वो बहुत important है, वो करना चाहिए अपने को। and there is lot of mental pressure, whether it is from family or from the business, कि भाई काफी लोग डिप्रेशन में जा रहे हैं कि अभी आगे क्या होगा, मालूम नहीं है क्या होगा। तो आपको उसको चैलेंज करके उसको उससे बाहर निकालना है। इफ यू आर कंफर्टेबल, देन यू हैव टू हेल्प 5 more people, वेदर फ्रॉम बाय द वे ऑफ फूड, बाय वे ऑफ एडवाइजिंग। आपके पास अगर कुछ काम है तो उनको काम देना चाहिए, एंड दैट्स हाउ आई थिंक द साइकिल रन्स।
so Coming back to the point that you said about say social media, digital marketing, uh, what do you think will be the role of say digital media and technology in the coming decade? अभी अभी तक जो बिजनेस जिस तरह से हो रहा था, इससे क्या चेंजेस होने वाले हैं एंड उसका क्या रोल होने वाला है?
I think we had already seen lot of changes happening in last 5 years. एक बार this internet, the data, the big data companies, and this is have changed the mindset. और ये pandemic आने से I think most of the people have now realized that this is the future. It was already realized by a lot of people, but now I think even the common people knows that this is the future. आपको मोबाइल पे ऊपर आप क्या नहीं कर सकते हैं, like thinking of buying a milk or buying a small
ग्रोसरीज या
item which
कुछ
which
भी?
can grocery. How can you think of buying vegetables online before 5 years? तो वो सब हो रहा है. So I think it will change the whole mindset, and you have to be with the technology.
Let's
अगर
say
आपने
about
नहीं किया तो
industrial marketing, let's focus it there. पहले आप let me ask you from your personal journey कि you've grown your business from say greenfield से लेकर you've grown it to international. I mean you've got clients internationally. So how did you do it before? How did you do the industrial marketing? What were your strategies specifically so that we can give this as a clip to people as well if they want it? In our industry we can share with them कि industrial marketing आपने कैसे किया, कैसे grow किया. And after this pandemic, what will the industrial marketing look like in your views?
जैसे अभी हमारा प्रोडक्ट था, इट्स इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्ट लाइक फास्टनर्स की बात करें तो तभी ये फर्स्ट यू टू आइडेंटिफाई टू हुम टू वांट टू सेल, वेदर इट इज एंड यूजर, वेदर इट इज अ ट्रेडर मार्केट, वेदर इट इज एक्सपोर्ट और डोमेस्टिक मार्केट. तो हमारा फोकस ऑलवेज एक्सपोर्ट में था बिकॉज अवर होल ग्रुप वाज प्राइमरली इनटू द एक्सपोर्ट मार्केट. So I think the only way to get into export market was exhibitions. So you have to participate in the right exhibitions, and you have to keep on. Like अपने ये exhibitions जैसे जर्मनी और यूरोप में होते हैं, every 2 years they are happening. So you have to be there every 2 years, get the sales lead from there, and once you have the sales lead, you need to visit them. I think this is how the cycle goes. Of course उसके साथ में correspondence, sampling, creating confidence in the customers, वो सब उसके साथ में आएगा. But this is how I think that is how the sales lead was getting in. This is how we got. हमारे I think when we started there were at that time email was also not very common. It was all fax and phones. I think in last 10 years only the emails have come in, and then the email thing was happening. एक वेबसाइट बना दिया, वेबसाइट चढ़ा दो करके खत्म करो. But we were not very focused on how this is communicating. तो कैटलॉग
Right,
करते थे, कैटलॉग कस्टमर्स को देते थे.
right, right. पहले आप बता रहे हो कि आप एग्जीबिशंस के थ्रू आप कस्टमर्स तक पहुंचे थे
Yeah.
इंटरनेशनली. एंड right now after this pandemic, how do you think will the industrial marketing look like?
जैसे हम लोग अभी सोच रहे हैं कि अभी क्या करना चाहिए, हाउ टू, बिकॉज नाउ वी आर नॉट एबल टू गो टू कस्टमर्स, नॉट विजिट देयर. आई थिंक लॉट ऑफ सोशल मीडिया चैनल्स हैव ओपन अप, लाइक प्रोफेशनल लिंक्डइन इज देयर वेयर वी कैन, अभी तक हमने ज्यादा यूज नहीं किया, बट आई थिंक दिस इज व्हाट द गोइंग टू बी द फ्यूचर.
So I think I'll talk to you about that after this call.
जैसे हमारे सेल्स वाले बोलते हैं सर कुछ डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में करिए, यही करिए करिए. मैं बोला ठीक है, प्रपोजल लाइए, हम करेंगे कुछ ना कुछ. सो आई थिंक द now because the power of social media is so much, उनके पास इतना reach है कि you can reach to so many hundred thousands and millions of people in one click, and then you want to filter out to where to send the message, which type of companies you want to. जैसे आपने last time experience बता रहे थे आपका कि you had a customer which is in the pharmaceutical where you could downsize the number of customers, number of people who want to target, and once you know the target then you can hit them
Specifically.
specifically भाई उनके साथ में आपको कैसे communicate. So I think that is the best way of doing the things, best way of growing the market. And because, and also अभी क्या हो रहा है कि most of the companies are doing this. If you don't do, somebody else will do, so you will lose the market. अभी वो पहले जैसा नहीं है कि हम बैठे, लाला बैठा है, कस्टमर आ रहा है गली से और आ रहा है तो कस्टमर को भाव दे दो, वो चाहिए होगा तो माल लेगा, नहीं तो कुछ नहीं, कोई वांधा नहीं है. लाला का मूड नहीं है, 5 रुपया ऊपर दे दिया. लाला का मूड अच्छा है, 5 सस्ता दे दिया माल. वो अभी नहीं चलने वाला है. सो एवरीथिंग इज गेटिंग सिस्टमैटिक, and with the young people coming in the business, I think वो थोड़ा systematic approach, थोड़ा logical approach, getting into this new age of doing marketing, digital things. I think that is the future, and we have to look into it, and we have to invest in this money in this kind of channels also.
मेक सेंस तो आपने बताया जो टारगेटेड मार्केटिंग हो गया और सोशल मीडिया से रीच बढ़ जाता है अपने सप्लायर से और मैन्युफैक्चरर से यू कैन हैव अ कम्युनिकेशन लाइक
True.
मतलब लाइक द कॉर्पोरेट कंपनीज जो अभी करते हैं कि दे हैव अ कांस्टेंट रीचिंग आउट विद देयर कस्टमर्स एंड ऑल दैट आई थिंक एवरी कंपनी हैज टू डू दैट राइट नाउ सो टू यू नो कीप द कम्युनिकेशन ऑन नहीं तो पहले जैसे अभी दूसरे लोग जैसे आपने बताया अदर पीपल विल
Somebody else will
स्टार्ट
do it. Somebody else will do it.
Perfect. I think that really makes sense. I think that is all. I mean, I think you've given really amazing advice. I think मैंने भी इतने notes बनाए और ये video तो मैं वापस देखने वाला हूँ so that I can again learn it and relearn it. And I'm sure the people that are listening got amazing value. Some millennials है जो भी सुन रहे हैं, most of them are millennials. So let me ask you this final question. What would be your final advice for a person, a millennial right now? आपने बताया कि he should not go in his family business. Apart from that, any advice that he should learn from you, know from you?
I think I had अभी हम लोग काफी देख रहे हैं कि यंग जो बच्चे हैं like the age of 20-25 they also want to try to do on their own. कुछ ना कुछ कोई इंस्टाग्राम पे पेज बना दिया, उसको पोस्ट कर दिया, वहां पे कुछ ना कुछ बेच रहा है, कोई ले रहा है. So this is the new thing. I think this digital marketing has given access to these people that okay you have your customers creating on the social media platform और आपका reach बढ़ता है, आप
Right.
कुछ नया कर रहे हो. So I think
So what do you let me put it in this way. So what are the say two things you like the most about this generation and two things that you don't like about this generation?
the more what I like is the imagination power, the creativity of these people at this age is fabulous. We had not seen like when we were of age of 22-23 इतना हम लोग सोच नहीं सकते थे. हमको तो जो ऊपर वाले ने पेरेंट्स ने बता दिया वही करने का था, वो सिस्टम दिखा. बट नाउ द थिंकिंग पावर, आई थिंक दे आर अ पावर हाउस. अगर उसको आप बराबर से यूज करो तो आई थिंक द यंग पीपल हैव lot of potentials. And if you see now most of the big companies right now in the world, if you see the top 10 companies, आप देखिए what are the founders age, what age they had
Facebook.
billions. You can get 10 examples.
Oyo, Facebook.
ओयो फेसबुक आप जितने भी ले आप जैसे फ्लिपकार्ट है, ये जो जो बड़े बड़े हो गए, यू सी द एज ऑफ दिस पीपल व्हाट दे हैव डन वंडर्स. जिसको सालों साल जैसे टाटा ग्रुप को 150 साल लगा, वो आदमी वो 25-30 साल का लड़का वो कर सकता है, इतना बड़ा कंपनी बना सकता है.
Like even I noticed one thing कि IPL के जो main 5 या 4 या 5 sponsors है, these were almost non-existent like last 4-5 years पहले.
True.
So I think that is that. What are the two things that you don't like?
They become too lazy.
I face
थोड़ा
that.
थोड़ा उसको सक्सेस मिल जाएगा तो वो सीधा हवा में उड़ जाता है. वो नहीं चाहिए. That's why you always need the experience along with this power out. आपके पास पावर है तो उसको बराबर से यूज करने के लिए, दैट्स व्हाई आई ऑलवेज से टेक को-फाउंडर्स, टेक पार्टनर्स. तो वो आपको गाइड करेगा. आपके पास पावर बहुत है लेकिन वो क्या उल्टी दिशा में चला जाएगा तो पावर वेस्ट हो जाएगा, उसका मतलब नहीं है. सो दैट्स व्हाई यू ऑलवेज यस. सो यू मेक अ बिजनेस प्लान. आप अपने एक बिजनेस आइडिया बनाइए, पेपर पे रखिए एंड गेट इट वैलिडेटेड बाय समबडी. एंड इफ इट इज एवरीथिंग गोस फाइन देन यू गो अहेड एंड गेट इट डन. So you have to be experience is जरूरी है. वो experience तो experience ही आने वाला है. Nobody is you cannot buy a pills which will give you experience.
You cannot buy a course that can give you experience.
कोर्स नहीं है. आपको गोली नहीं है कि गोली खा लिया और आपको 10 साल का एक्सपीरियंस मिल गया, तो वो नहीं होने वाला. वो तो that's why what you cannot get over a period of time you should buy that. जैसे आप एक्सपीरियंस आदमी को आपने आपके बोर्ड पे ले लिया तो उसका मतलब you already bought the experience on the board.
Right.
should always get into that kind of things also. Okay, भाई आप टीम बनाइए, अच्छी टीम बनाइए, अच्छे लोग लाइए and you get the business started.
Perfect.
और थोड़ा रिस्क तो लेना जरूरी है. रिस्क नहीं लोगे तो क्या मतलब है.
Right. Risk. Perfect. Thank you so much, नरेश जी. आपने आपका valuable time दिया हमको. This has been one of the most valuable conversations I have had so far. I've done a bunch of interviews before. So I think my key takeaways were key. First of all, hard work, believe in yourself, always have a team, honesty, consistency. I also learned कि आपने आपका जब way of life बताया, the spirituality part, that really related to me, because I'm a little, I believe, and I'm really focused on the spiritual side of it, when my other friends or other people that are around me are not as much. So sometimes I feel left out, but now I know कि यार I'm doing something right in that space. Uh, and then आपने आपका starting में success failures के बारे में बताया, also about the digital marketing, the social media and the digital media technology, वो कैसे businesses को adapt करना चाहिए, especially in our industry where most of them don't. Most of them think कि नहीं करना यार, why do we do it now, why do we, they all, I mean, probably they have, मतलब वो थोड़े बड़े हो गए, 40-50 के हो गए, तो they are not as accepting to it right now. But as you said, if you want to grow and continue in the coming years, even for your family, you need to accept those technology and accept the change. Also, you've told us about your industrial marketing insights. I think that one clip will be very valuable for all these people. I can take that one clip out and share it with people that they can learn from. Apart from that, also your theory with the millennials. All in all, it was a very value-packed session. Thank you so much for your time. I will now come and conclude this session. So this is what we do over here. Week on week, I'm going to be getting each one-on-one entrepreneurs where I'll be learning from them. This is a personal selfish project, you can say, where I get time to speak to you. Also, I get to add a little value where I'm creating this platform where everyone can learn from you and hear from you. So thank you so much once again. Thank you so much for being so humble to accept my invitation. And I would love to have more conversations and be in touch with you down the line and learn from you.
Thank you, Priyanka, and I think it was also a good experience for me. And it's always, the sharing is always a good thing. आपने जो भी कमाया है, whether it is knowledge or anything, experience, अगर आपने share नहीं किया तो फिर क्या फायदा उसका? So I think it is always good to have. And one more message for all your millennial thing: get business ideas. We will try. We are into the market to fund the startups, and we have connects who will do the seed funding, एंजल फंडिंग, उसके बाद ब्रिज फंडिंग, और आगे जैसे जैसे फंडिंग की जो रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. If you have good business idea, I think there is a lot of money that is available in market, but yeah, the idea has to be good. I think one guy told me very nicely that what is a new idea? You go in Google, type your idea. If you find 0 search found, it's a new idea. अगर उसका 10 लिंक अगर available है, तो I think that idea is already there in the market.
Really makes sense. I think this is, अगर खाली 10 सेकंड में लेके बाहर फैला दूं ना, वायरल हो जाएगा ये क्लिप, बिकॉज बहुत स्टार्टअप्स है जिनको इन्वेस्टर्स चाहिए, इन्वेस्टमेंट चाहिए, एंड अगर हमारे थ्रू कुछ आता तो ऑब्वियसली हमारा एक रेफरल इनकम आना चाहिए, बिकॉज ये भी मैंने आपसे ही सीखा वेबिनार में.
एवरीथिंग इज बिजनेस.
ये भी मैं आपसे ही सीखा वेबिनार में. सो ओके, परफेक्ट. Thank you so much once again. I'll wind off this session. I'll also share all the links of Rajaratna and your social media handles in the description below, so people can go and refer you and see what you've done. Also, I'll be sharing the links to my handles, my social handles. You can follow us. You can see our interviews, see our podcast, see our content, which is going to add value in your life. And we are on a mission to help you become the best version of yourself. So stay tuned for the next episode in the next week. Until then, thank you so much. Take care.
Thank you. Bye.